What you making?
Good morning, Rebel Canners. Today I'm going to do a short video on how to grow sweet potato slips with a sweet potato. It is so easy. You put toothpicks around the edge of your sweet potato, suspend it over some water, let it sit in a nice sunny window to root. The plants will sprout up and you will have sweet potato slips that you can pull off once they've rooted, put in dirt, and grow dirt in your garden or in a container, and you'll have sweet potatoes. So I'm going to show you. I can't hold the camera and talk to you at the same time, so I'm going to put this down and let me show you just a second. And again you're going to need some water. I just put mine in a bottle. This is just well water I got at a friend's house. A sweet potato. This end is going to go down, the one where the roots are like already kind of dried up from where it got pulled out of the ground. That end will go down in here, and you want at least that much, about a third to a half down in the water. So that's where you'll put your toothpicks, that line around it, all four corners, north, south, east, and west on your sweet potato, and then put it in water. I'm going to put this down for a minute and I will get my potato ready. So there you go. You can see I was able to do it in 3. I'm just going to go ahead and pour my water in here, place it in a sunny window, and it's good to go. And I will have sweet potato slips that grow in very soon. I'll show you my progress in a future video. Thank you and have a great day.